Hello all of you. In this session, we'll talk about new features and improvements in Windows Server 2022 in Active Directory. So let's start this session. So as you know that in Server 2022, there is some new features like as you can see that like if we talk about Active Directory Administrative Center, this is the tool. So as you know, then when we install Active Directory in our servers, whether it's a server 2003, 8, 12, 16, 19, 22, any server you have. Okay, so once you install Active Directory, I'm not telling you to configure it. Just simple install. I'll go to Server Manager, click on Add Roles, and then install Active Directory Domain Services role. In my server. So once I install, you can see that this tool, Active Directory Administrative Center tool, is automatically installed. Okay, and with the help of this tool, be able to manage groups, users, and computers. Means in short, we can say that be able to manage AD objects with the help of this tool. So now previously there is some complexities there in this tool, but now in Server 2022 they reduce some complexity in that case. Okay, since the tools remain same, it's working same, but some reducing some complexity only. Now next we have a time-based group membership. It's very new in Server 2022. So now imagine that now this feature allows you for the automation of group memberships changes based on specific time criteria. It means that, like, imagine I have a user, my username is user2, and I want to make the user as a domain administrator. So what I do, I add the user in domain admin group. Now, but I want that only for 1 hour. I want that this user is behave as a domain admin for 1 hour only. After 1 hour, this user is automatically removed in the group domain admin group. So you can say that administrators can allow define certain periods during which users are added or removed from specific groups automatically. Okay, so if you want that the user is automatically removed for a certain time period, so you can use this type of group membership. Okay, so now you can see that in this slide we'll see that we able to see the commands also. So for that, like if you want to enable this feature in the group, you need to install first PAM feature, privilege access management. It's a feature, so you need to enable this feature first, or you want to install this feature first with the help of PowerShell, and then you can see that see the close look of this command, add AD group member. So I'm going to add my user2 in domain admin group for time period only, for 30 minutes only. So it means that this user is added this group for 30 minutes only. After 30 minutes, what happens? This user is automatically removed. So like this we able to use group membership, time-based group membership. You can check, you can say that once I add my user2 in the admin group, we can check get-AD group, and then you can see that it shows me the member of this group is have 1755 TTL, time to live. So it means that there is a certain time the user is there. After the time is over, after 30 minutes is over, you can say that this user is automatically removed from this group. Okay, so you can say there is a syntax name new -time span. This is the syntax where I can define the minutes, how many minutes, like 30 minutes or 60 minutes, whatever time you want to define to the user in this group, like this. Now next we have a group membership replication compression. Like now there is a compression also, or you can say that there is a replication also. So you can say that in Active Directory we have a replication services which is running, okay, inside your Active Directory. So there is a group membership replication is there. So in Server 2022 introduce the ability to compress group membership changes during Active Directory replication. It reduces the replication traffic and improves overall performance. So it means that you need to compress your Active Directory replication. Compress means you can compress the data, as you can say that, okay, or you can say that it is reduce the traffic. Like previously what happens, it takes so much amount of data, so many objects. Like imagine I want to replicate my user2, or maybe there is a group membership replication is there. Maybe right now user2 is a member of domain admin, now user2 is a member of some other groups, but there are changes between the group membership. There are changes in the group membership, so it replicate This changes replicate to all the domain controllers in the organization. So that time is reduced, or you can reduce the compression, you can say that. Okay, so you can reduce the traffic in that time. So it's automatically done in the background of your Active Directory environment. Now next we have a AD recycle bin. As you already know that AD recycle bin is a tool which is already there in Active Directory. So you can enable this tool as well. So once you enable this tool, you're not able to disable it. Simple as that. So with the help of this, we're able to recover our deleted objects. Like imagine I have some deleted objects. I want to recover it. Okay, so there is a certain period over there. Like before 180 days, you able to recover the objects. After like imagine I delete the object today, and after 180 days, I'm trying to recover that object. So that object is not able to recover it. Okay, so that is the way how we can recover. So there is some enhancement in this tool as well. Okay, it provides you the safeguard also. Safeguard means like accidental deletion option is also there. So it means that like we have an option. It gives you the safeguard, means that if someone by mistake delete the object, so that object is not deleted. Okay, so that is the feature provided by in your AD recycle bin as well. Now next we have a increased security and access controls. So you can say that in Server 22 we have some protocols, we have some security features, we have some authentication protocols, we have some stronger password policies also, we have improving audit capabilities as well, so that we are able to protect our Server 22 more securely. So it increases so many things also in security part as well. So we'll cover all these things in upcoming lectures as well. But what are the enhancement in securities and access controls? Okay, some better authentication protocols are also reducing in Server 22 as well. And next we have AD web services. So it is you can say that it's a feature, fully loaded feature for scripting or scripting languages. If you want to, you can say that you want to automate some tasks with the help of scripts or with the help of PowerShell, be able to use this feature as well. ADWS, Active Directory Web Services. Okay, so it is used to simple managing PowerShell. With the help of PowerShell, with the help of other scripting language, be able to manage or enable automation of various tasks. If you want to automate some tasks, we can use this feature as well. Now next we have our application enhancements. Same thing we already talked about. Now there is a reduced replication latency and enhanced reliability across distributed AD environments. So they have some latency reduction in their application now. Okay, we can define the bandwidth as well in their application in Active Directory. So like imagine my application is running in my in the Active Directory environment, and I want to define my bandwidth. That okay, I want to define only 1 Mbps or 2 Mbps, not more than that. Okay, so we can do as well. So this is the some improvements you can see that in reducing the application latency. So like imagine if all bandwidths are occupied by your Active Directory application only, so how you can do the other things or other tasks. Okay, so that's the 7 features you can say that. We have 7 features. You can say these are the 7 some new features or improvements in Server 22 and Active Directory.